Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Brian Kapple here with the Athens Real Estate Company, located in Athens, Ohio, 540 West Union Street. Ali Rapley's the broker. Hey, I woke up this morning and was checking the Athens County Board of Realtors MLS page, and I saw that the interest rates, I put them here on the ticker, are pretty low. I noticed last week they had dropped a lot, but today, let's wait for this to come around. I think 30-year fixed is sitting right around 6.2%. So I thought, you know what, let's just do another spontaneous short video talking about the interest rates and what impacts them since they've came down. I mean, maybe almost a 0.5% in the last 10 days or so. So obviously inflation has a part, the labor market, economic growth as well. Consumer price index is falling, stuff like that. The CPI is just basically the cost of goods that consumers throughout the United States pay. There's one thing here I want to show you. This guy is from the National Association of Realtors. I just made it bigger on my screen and shorter on yours. It's not really what I wanted. There we go. All right. Lawrence Yoon, this guy is pretty good. I've heard him talk a couple times. This was back on the second Friday, talking about mortgage rates are plunging on the news of weak job growth and rising unemployment. Unemployment rate's 4.3%. It's the highest since we came out of the COVID lockdown, and higher than the 3.5% unemployment rate right before COVID-19 came. Our hourly wage gain of 3.2% is the weakest in 3 years. Obviously, it's safe to say that that's not keeping up with the inflation rate, cost of living. So the Fed was late moving away from the restrictive monetary policy stance when early signs of a softening economy were visible. So soft manufacturing survey data, falls in construction activity, and damaging finance costs for small businesses are hinting at a cooling economy and further cooling inflation. They're talking about the Feds may make a deeper cut of 50 basis points in September. So this was as of Friday. The 30-year fixed mortgage rate looks to fall to 6.5% or even lower in the upcoming weeks. So if all of this plays out, the 100 basis point change in mortgage rates generally means around a $300 a month lower payment on a typical mortgage. So those of you that were priced out a few months ago should, if you're interested in still buying, should recheck whether you can enter the home buying market. Obviously, as Mr. Yoon here suggests at the end, secure job is going to be of a benefit. I did see also that the stock market at the opening bell this morning was down 1,000 points. Warren Buffett, I think, sold maybe a little over $2 billion worth of his Apple stock. So I also was doing some just reading before I got on this and made this video, and saw that there's also some conversation or some urging that the Fed do an emergency interest rate cut. So that's sort of a new thing to me. It says it's ultra rare from what I was reading, so I guess we'll see with that. Anyway, if you are in the market to buy a home, it sounds like that it's going to improve for you. I keep seeing we're in the beginning stage of a housing market or housing crisis. One of the local larger news organizations has been calling about the real estate market sky falling now for almost the last year and a half. It's not happened yet. If there's anything that I could see that's critical to the real estate market, is that there is still a surplus of, there is still a lack of homes hitting the market. So less homes, and the more buyers looking, we know what that turns into as far as the seller's market goes. It's quite possible, though, that could change a little bit and start to flip with interest rates falling and maybe following following lower. Good chance that people that own a home right now that have been holding on to it because they have, maybe that 4 or 5% interest rate, 3% interest rate. Quite possible that we may see sort of a resurgence in new homes going on the market for sale. So with that, Brian Kapple, I'm with the Athens Real Estate Company. If you're thinking about buying property, just give me a call. I have that accredited buyers representative designation, so I can definitely help you out with that. Thinking about selling, I have the pricing strategy advisor certification from National Association of Realtors, NAR, and I can help you out on that as well. My phone number is 740-629-2513. You can probably look forward to a couple more videos coming up this week, and appreciate if you share and like everything that you see, only if you really do like it. Also, check us out on our YouTube TV channel, not YouTube TV, YouTube channel, and feel free to like us there. I had to reboot that, so want to get our views back up with that. So anyway, everybody, hope you have a safe and great week. Thanks so much.